Today we're heading north, way north, into the Arctic. Imagine trying to build a house on top of a giant freezer that's slowly thawing. Sounds risky, right? Well, that's exactly what engineers face when constructing platforms, buildings, or drilling rigs on permafrost. So here's the big question for today. How do you build strong, stable foundations on ground that's literally frozen, and sometimes thawing beneath your feet? Permafrost might look solid, but it's surprisingly fragile. When it warms even slightly, its strength drops. That means buildings can tilt, pipes can crack, and platforms can sink. Traditional foundation methods rely heavily on concrete, friction, and perfect weather conditions, things that are hard to guarantee in the Arctic's long, freezing, unpredictable seasons. And once those piles are in the ground, good luck removing them. They're usually there forever. Engineers needed something smarter, lighter, and friendlier to the environment. This is where a new idea steps in. Modular pile foundations with a dome plug. Think of a hollow steel pipe that goes into the ground during drilling, and then gets a smooth, rounded cap placed at the bottom. Simple? Yes. Clever? Absolutely. This little dome at the bottom changes everything. Instead of relying only on the frozen sides of the pile now pushes on the ground beneath it too, like a column resting on both its sides and its tip. The result? A stronger, more stable foundation that works even when the soil isn't perfect. And because no concrete is used, installation becomes a year-round process. Snow, ice, Arctic winds, no problem. The whole system is modular and designed for tough climates. Here's the part we love. These piles aren't permanent. When the job is done, engineers can insert a heating element into the hollow pile. That warms up the frozen soil around it just enough to release the bond, and the pile simply lifts out. No digging, no breaking, no mess. For the Arctic, where every footprint matters, that's a huge win. Stronger, reusable, easier to install, easier to remove. This new approach opens the door to flexible modular platforms in the Arctic. These platforms can support research stations, drilling equipment, energy systems, and future technologies we haven't even imagined yet. And as the climate continues to change, innovations like this could make the difference between safe infrastructure and costly failures. So, next time you think about Arctic engineering, remember, sometimes the smartest solutions come from the simplest ideas, like putting a dome at the bottom of a steel pile. As we wrap up today's episode, here's something to ponder. How else could modular, reusable engineering systems help us reduce our impact on fragile environments? Thanks for listening to the R&D Lab. Visit engisphere.com to explore the engineering concepts. Stay curious, stay inspired, and don't forget to subscribe.